Right now we are parked behind Gene and Shay's van, and I am so excited to do this van tour today because Gene and Shay and Nick and I have been internet friends for like over a year now. And because the Canada-US border has been shut for so long, we were never able to actually meet in person. And now we're down here in the US desert, caravanning together. They're absolutely amazing people, and they have a really cool budget van build, so let's go check it out.
Welcome to our home.
I'm Gene.
I'm Shay.
And we live in a 1984 Dodge Ram.
Got this van off of Facebook Marketplace about a year ago.
Yeah.
Converted it for 6 months, and the van cost $7,000, and then the build was about another $7,000 US.
This is our kitchen part of the van. So we have like our cutting area, our sink where we do dishes, where we can cut other things. We do have an electric water pump. It's DC powered. The only thing I would probably change about our plumbing is the size of our fresh water and gray water. They're both 5 gallons, and we go through it really fast.
That's what ours is as well.
Yeah.
It takes like 2 washes.
Yeah, that's
and
the
then
exact same thing.
they're
as us.
gone.
Yeah, it's brutal.
Do you fill up with a hose, or do you have to go and because we go into Walmart to fill ours up?
Yeah, like our gray water and fresh water is like in the van. Like we don't have anything under. Did you build your gray water under the van?
No, it's like right inside.
It's right here. Yeah, so you have to like remove it and okay, yeah, that's the same thing.
Yeah, so I'll put in a little hose and like it's kind of gross, but like siphon it.
Oh yeah.
And
fair.
then it'll just.
Yeah.
And then we have a little hose that we attach onto the spigot, and we fill it up. Yeah.
Cool.
And we actually took the edge of this piece of wood and made it into our spice rack. And then we have these little guys to fasten them. So for storage underneath the counter, we have our toilet space and then some like cleaning supplies. And then over here is where we put our food and stuff, our pantry, essentially.
Do you find that this is enough space for the two of you?
No.
Just because the way that we like to grocery shop, food's like our favorite thing.
Sauces and stuff like that, no.
Yeah,
But we make it work. We just shove it.
Nice. Yeah, van life, baby.
Yeah, you make it work.
You do.
this is just kind of extra storage for us. It has a lot of our electric stuff. It's so messy right now, but this is kind of the reality of what it usually looks like. So we just have like our drill in here, some camera, our projector, our appliances we use when we have shore power, and it also houses all of our light switches in the van. We have 3 different ones. And then it also provides us with extra cutting space for when we cook. As you can see, there's food on it.
It's a lifesaver, honestly.
Do you use this a lot? I feel like I'd use this so much.
Every day.
Yeah.
It was actually, if you see how there's like just random holes in it, this was a shelf in our old apartment, and we just cut it up and used it as this.
That's so dope.
Moving back into our bed space, our bed actually is like a couch converted situation. It's a big L-shaped couch, and then our table goes right in this little white wooden thing that we built. It just slides right into here, and there's also a little section like this on this side of our counter space. So it just pops in there. It's really cool. I love it when it's like that.
That's a lot of people.
Yeah, it can fit a ton of people. We have people over for dinner or drinks, and it's probably my favorite thing about the van. Yeah. Moving on to our overhead cabinets. We built all of our cabinetry by buying pre-made cabinets at like a hardware store, and then we just cut them to size to fit our shape of our van, and then just painted them, and it's worked out well for us. Now these are gonna be messy, but these are Gene's 2 clothing drawers, and then these are mine in here. Mine are a little bit less messy than Gene's are. I wish that I had like probably all 4 of these for myself.
Yeah, it's not enough for sure.
Because it's not a lot of storage, but we actually have 50 throw pillows that we just zip. And we have clothes all in there too.
That is amazing.
I was like, I'm not getting rid of all of my clothes. I'm gonna find a way.
Yo,
That is so good.
People like to make fun of us, like if we're posting on social media and stuff, that we have like 7 throw pillows in the van, but they serve a purpose.
Closet.
That's sick. Holy.
Over here we have like toiletries and face wash. We have a like first aid kit, hair accessories, all of that in there. And this is what I would like to call our junk drawer. I'll show you a little taste, but it's just a bunch of stuff shoved in there.
I'm embarrassed. I'm ashamed.
We have that too.
There's really like, we have days where we're like, let's really organize this. Or we're gonna get little baskets for it.
Yeah.
It's just our junk drawer. But
People have it in normal
Yeah.
houses, so that's what I always say. Everyone has that.
over here we just have a Max Air fan. We love this thing a lot. It really saves our asses. Can I swear?
Yep.
Okay. Saves our asses when it's really hot. We got trapped in like Utah when it was like 100 degrees, and it really saved us because with that and then all of the windows we have around the van that open up, it's like really, really good airflow. So
Nice.
do love that, and that was included with our van before we bought it.
Do you guys have a fan in here then? No, you don't.
Yeah, that's
This is the fan.
That's
Max
the
Air fan.
that's the fan at the back.
there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that works.
If you just paid attention.
I know. I was like looking
guys
at it
have
all
a
this
fan?
time. I'm really gnarly ADHD, so I'll just like start looking at stuff. I'm like, oh yeah, what's going on?
We had a vent cover for that, but
Okay.
it flew off.
Oh,
Oh. Well,
fun.
on the highway?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. I just really hope this doesn't explode in your van.
Well, as you can see, Gene's already throwing things
Yeah, I
around.
was just throwing
Okay, so I
things.
have a question about your like bed conversion because I've talked a lot of smack about conversion beds on TikTok, and I kind of feel bad because yours is so cute. Do you actually find that you like put it together every day?
Not every day at
Yeah.
all, but we do it at least weekly for the most part, just because I work completely remote. So
Yeah.
if I work from my bed, I will tend to like be lazier. I won't get started as fast. So if I convert it really fast, I know I'm going to be sitting down and I'm going to work.
Like you feel more productive
Yeah.
if you're, yeah.
And the other thing I like about it is that when I had an apartment, I feel like I redecorated all the time. Like I was constantly rearranging furniture. And in here, you can't really do that as much.
Yeah.
And so it feels like I'm like redecorating. It does feel like a new space, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. I feel like that would like open it up.
Yeah,
A
it
lot.
does.
Because I do find that we work, like I do work on my bed a
Yeah.
lot, but I do feel lazy. And then I wake up and I'm like,
Yeah,
what am I doing? I've been in here forever.
yeah.
Yeah.
I definitely felt that in my apartment too. Like if I wouldn't go to my desk,
Yeah.
because I didn't have a desk at first, I was just always doing work from bed, and I didn't like that at all. I had
Yeah.
to get out.
Yeah, fair. I feel like a lot of people in this time can relate to that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Need you to step where I'm at.
Look at them.
Right.
So I want to talk about the cats because I feel like this is just such a, like, people see van life with a dog.
Our children. This is Bean.
This is Sprout.
Bean is going to be 4 in May.
And Sprout is 3, and I had them before we even started dating, and definitely before we got the van. I'll put you down. And we kind of debated if we were gonna bring them, if like we were gonna leave them with my mom. But as we were getting ready to move in, we're like, we're just gonna do it, like full
Yeah.
send. Like let's just see how it works. And
Just thinking about departing with them.
yeah, but they love it. We have little harnesses for them. We have
Oh no.
drama.
God.
We have harnesses and we take them for walks.
Yeah, every day, or they flip out.
Sprout can free roam. He's great. He listens. He doesn't run. You let her off the leash, she runs. She's like run out of the
She's
van.
gotten out of the van a few times, so now we're like very careful with the harness and leash situation.
Yeah.
We
don't
have
know if she'll
like
come back.
Yeah,
So-
we have little backpacks and stuff for them that expand out that they hang out outside with. We can attach their leashes and their harnesses to the van. They're just our little buddies.
This is their space.
Oh yeah, we see that.
Yeah,
This
the
is
litter box
their
is up here.
bathroom and their lounge.
And it doesn't smell at all.
No.
That's like one of our main comments. People will be like, I can't imagine how that place smells. And it's like, it
At
really
all.
does. If the litter box is bad, it's the same as it would be if it was in my living room in my apartment. Like, we just have
I
to
wonder
clean
if that's
it.
just because of like the ventilation and
I
stuff.
think
Like
so.
it's gotta
Yeah.
be, right?
Yeah.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
Having this open.
Yeah, we have so many. A lot of people who do have cats, we've seen them do like little like built-in litter boxes and
Yeah.
stuff. But we just like knew with 2 cats, especially sharing a box,
Yeah.
we wanted it to be really accessible and by a lot of ventilation. And it really doesn't ever smell like cat in here.
They
Yeah.
go in their boxes, their box. Like
Yeah.
they never
Yeah,
go outside of it.
and
Yeah.
but Sprout goes outside on walks. He
Yeah.
officially is going to the bathroom outside in
And
nature.
I saw that on Instagram. Yeah.
I was so excited.
Yeah.
I'm like filming him like shitting. I was like, the people need to know.
One of my favorite things about parking near Gene and Shay is watching them in the morning walk their cats.
Yeah. Oh,
I feel like that's
100%.
something that we've never seen before in our lives. So yeah,
Yeah.
it's very interesting.
Especially being on the harness. So,
So
cute.
cute. So can you just tell us about any extra storage underneath the van? Because your ceilings are so high, so usually you don't
Yeah.
see people's like vans, like or beds this low.
Yeah, it is low. I don't know why we made it so low.
We made it low so we could sit on the couch comfortably, but we could probably raise it a little bit. We
Probably like
have
3 inches.
we have like a garage space that's under the bed, and you can access it from the back, or when it's a couch, you can also flip it up from the inside,
Mm-hmm.
which is storage. And then under this cabinet is where Jean keeps this cushion is where Jean keeps their entire drum kit.
Yeah, we take this off and it's like it's a piece of wood on piano hinge.
Yeah.
And just lift it up.
It's
Put the
electric,
rest
yeah.
up there, but it's not electric. It's acoustic.
We just have covers on it, so when like they're drumming
It's not
in
loud.
public, it's not
like-
loud. It just gets muffled.
Oh.
It's I have drum pads on them.
So is there anything that you would say to someone who like wants to start van life, they don't have a lot of money? Like what would you tell someone if they're like, "Oh, I want to live in a van, but it seems so expensive," and like
I would say just get the essential things you need, because if you put a lot of money into it and end up not liking it,
Yeah.
like try it out with just what you need and figure out what you like and what you need,
I would agree.
instead of having to like make your van so expensive.
People, I think, see the stuff you see on like social media and stuff, and people who
When it's,
have
like, glamorous.
yeah, like a full shower and like a $1,000 toilet and all of these like memory foam match. Like you don't really need that stuff to do van life. If you want to try it out, you should definitely just like throw a mattress in here, like have a little portable propane stove, which is actually what we still use. Yeah, just keep looking. Don't buy the first one you see, because we almost bought a way more expensive rig too, and
know.
this fell into our laps and it just worked out.
That's what I always said too. I was like, we should, recommending it to anybody, like rent a van first.
Yeah.
Like I thought that would, yeah, and like just to try it out, and then that way you haven't like sunk everything into it.
Yeah.
But like rent a van, see if you like it, and then build it out.
Also, we have friends doing van life who just put like a mattress in the back of a
Yeah.
empty van
Yeah.
and go on trips.
Yeah.
Like
100%.
you don't need to have something crazy. So
And I know like building like a plumbing system seems daunting, but it's super easy. Like it doesn't need to be super fancy.
Use YouTube.
Seriously.
yes, we're all YouTube mechanics,
Yes.
plumbers, and all of
Yes.
that
Yeah.
by now.
Yep. Troubleshooting with YouTube.
Totally. Thank you both for showing us your van.
Of course.
Thanks for
Yes,
having
we're
us.
so happy that we're all together now.
Yeah,
I know.
this is great.
Finally, after just knowing each other online.
I
for
know.
Yeah.
Watching
Here.
your guys' videos.
Yes, it's very cool. So, adios. Let's go drink beer with the camera
Let's
off.
do it.
Thank you. See ya.